Weekend, oh dear.
Oh, yeah, I'm worried you won't see any potholes, actually, John and Rachel, this morning in some parts of the country. It's pretty murky out there, particularly around the Cheshire Plain area, so running into the West Midlands through Liverpool and Merseyside and Manchester. So just a word of caution, really, taking some extra time. It's pretty murky coming in on my travels from Buckinghamshire. So it's not just exclusively the Cheshire Plains, it's quite murky in many areas at the moment. We've got a lot of cloud in Scotland and Northern Ireland, but it's largely frost-free, a little bit chilly in the Glens, but largely frost-free, and certainly so in the south, where temperatures are about 15 degrees higher than this time yesterday. But it doesn't necessarily feel that much warmer. You just won't have to scrape any ice off the cars this morning. And we've still got a weak weather front across the southern half of the country, so lots of misty low cloud here and fairly widespread light rain and drizzle. It's a bit damp as well as grey out there. But gradually through the day, and it will take a while, that rain and drizzle will tend to ease away, just lingering in southwestern areas. Elsewhere, for the most part, it's dry. The best chance of the brighter weather will be eastern parts of Scotland, northeast England. But on the whole, we'll have fairly leaden skies for much of the day, 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. So those temperatures are up on recent days. But as I say, actually probably feel quite chilly with that blanket of cloud. And that blanket of cloud has the positive effect of arresting the fall in temperature again overnight. So again, it's going to be largely frost-free, except perhaps the far glens of northeast Scotland, but it will again be a really grey one tomorrow morning for most of us. The improvements, I suppose, without our weather front sitting across the southwest, but high pressure instead, a better chance of some brighter weather here. And there will be some breaks in the cloud here and there. I'm not ruling it out, but unfortunately not guaranteed. So it looks pretty cloudy for all of the FA Cup third round matches, both today and tomorrow. In fact, could just be a little bit of drizzle around today. And temperatures just creeping above the average for this time of year, early January. But actually we're doing quite well, because just across the channel at the moment, we've got the potential for icy conditions, freezing rain across some of the low countries. And look at these temperatures for tomorrow across the likes of Moscow, -25, -13 in Minsk. Bitterly cold at the moment across the eastern side of Europe. All that air is going to stay stagnant for the next couple of days. As for the UK, it turns much more mobile, we would describe it, here into next week, which means more wind and more rain. Rachel and John, back to you two.
OK, Helen, for now, thank you. Look at those temperatures, -11. We haven't got that here. All right, take care.